Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to connect your Samsung S24 Ultra to your MacBook Pro. This is a very simple and easy process. Let's dive right in. So essentially there are three methods by which you can connect your Samsung S24 to your MacBook. The first step would be to use a tool called MacDroid. MacDroid is a fairly popular app that people use in order to transfer their files from their Samsung to their Apple device. Now, as you can see here, it is compatible with a wide range of Samsung devices, and it has an entire list of pros and cons. As you can see here, there are definitely more pros than cons. It has an amazing free version, 7-day free trial to all the pro features, and is compatible with almost all Android devices. Secondly, we have another method. This method is via another app, and the name of this app is called SideSync. SideSync is more official because it is manufactured by Samsung directly, but it has a more tedious process by which you can transfer data, which is why most people prefer MacDroid. And third, last but not least, the most simple way to transfer your files, this is a very crude way, is to use Google's solution. This works, but unfortunately it is not the most friendly way to go about this, which is why, again, the number one method would be MacDroid, then SideSync, and last but not least would be through the Google's solution app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.